Welcome to my video. In this video, I'm going to cover daily life of remote area people. The best way to learn about wildlife is to experience how they survive, go for walks in the woods, hike in the mountains, or visit a local park. The more time you spend in nature, the more likely you are to see and learn about wildlife. There is a great documentary and nature shows available that can teach you about wildlife. Watching these shows can help you see the wildlife in their natural habitats and learn about their amazing lives. You get a lot of sea snail. He called them bamboo snail. Bamboo snails are a type of air-breathing land snail. They are found in tropical and subtropical regions of Asia, Africa, and South America. Bamboo snails get their name from their long, thin shells that resemble bamboo shoots. Start to make a campfire and cook his meal. Overall, bamboo snails are a healthy and nutritious food option. They are a good source of protein, low in fat and calories, and contain omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals. If you are looking for a healthy and delicious seafood option, bamboo snails are a good choice. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and follow my Facebook page. I'll be back next day with another video. Thank you.